Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Rowe. We are looking at Algebra 2A. This is Lesson 5. We're going to focus on number 8. This is the word problem with the garden. Here's a similar example. This one says you have a square enclosure to herd your cats. And while this enclosure is not very effective, you still want to add some lights around the top of the enclosure. Some string lights, as a matter of fact. You know the enclosure is 3,600 square feet. How long would the string of lights have to be to go around the enclosure? So this is real similar to the one in number 8. So let's take a look at what we got to do here. So first, we know that we have a square enclosure to herd our cats. We know that the area is 3,600 square feet. Now, in the lesson, you're told that area equals side squared. Now, since this is a square, we know that all 4 sides are the same. They're equal. So what's the first thing we got to do? Well, we know the area is 3,600 square feet. So we're going to replace area with 3,600 square feet. And we know that's side squared. Well, how do we figure out side? So what we have to do here is we have to take a square root. This is a lesson about radicals. So, it makes sense that we would take a square root. And that's going to tell me that one side of the enclosure, one side is the square root of 3,600. Get your calculators out. Square root of 3,600. Yep, that's 60 feet. Now, that is not the answer to the problem, because the problem says how long would the string of lights have to be to go around the enclosure? So we're putting a string of lights all the way around the enclosure. I'm assuming we're just tacking it to the top of each corner and then dragging it to the next corner until we get all the way around. So what do we got to do? Well, each side is 60 feet. So that side 60 feet, that side 60 feet, that side 60 feet, and that side 60 feet. So guess what? I've got to add those 4 sides up. So 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60, or I can just do 60 times 4 is 240, but 240 feet of lights are needed to surround the top of my enclosure for my cats. So now I hope this helps you with number 8. Please let me know if you're still confused, or better yet, make an appointment for a help session.